Embraer Pulse Concept. For Embraer's 50th anniversary, Embraer Design Ops has designed a futuristic vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, VTOL, called the Pulse Concept, with the cabin being a removable pod, which can be transferred to a ground vehicle and vice versa. The aircraft could very well be an electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, aircraft due to their target market entry date is 2070, and many scientists and inventors are hoping for solid-state batteries to have a very high energy density. All graphics Embraer credit. The company is planning for future technologies to allow the creation of a smart all-see-through passenger pod due to potential advances in glass technology and see-through alloy materials, such as transparent aluminum. Transparent aluminum, aluminium oxynitride, is a ceramic composed of aluminum, oxygen and nitrogen whose trade name is Alon. Transparent aluminum can be seen through, and is 4 times harder than fused silica glass. Using a pod for the passenger compartment will allow the passengers to transfer from the aircraft to a ground vehicle and back, without leaving the pod. In addition, having smart glass and an all-see-through pod will allow the passengers to have spectacular views. Flyno E-Copter. Flyno Aviation GmbH was founded in 2019 and is headquartered in Salzburg, Austria. The company is in the business of designing and manufacturing automatic, or autopiloted, passenger and air cargo long-range electric helicopters, or electric vertical and takeoff and landing, eVTOL, rotorcraft for advanced air mobility, AM. Automatic flying means the aircraft has a predetermined flight plan and flies along a fixed route. The original name of the helicopter was called the Flyno PAV, Personal Air Vehicle. Image credit, Flyno Aviation. The company cites the coaxial counter-rotating Kamov helicopter, manufactured by Russian helicopters. With the advantages of coaxial counter-rotating rotor blades brings to the aircraft is what Flyno Aviation is looking for. When designing an electric helicopter, complexity can be reduced by using electric motors, using batteries as a power source and using fixed, pitched rotor blades. Flyno Aviation has stated that a fixed-pitch rotor blade system will achieve higher velocities while maintaining passenger comfort. Eventually, the company revealed the names of their models will be called E-Copters. Alauda Airspeeder Mk4. Alauda Aeronautics was founded by Matt Pearson in 2016 and is the creator of the Airspeeder Mk1, Mark I, through Mk4, Mark IV, electric vertical takeoff and landing, eVTOL, racing aircraft. Originally founded in Sydney, Australia, the company is now located in Beverly, Australia. Its flight racing company is named Alauda Racing. Chitoptera Wing. Chitoptera's innovations are foundational and applicable in a wide variety of domains. The fluidic propulsive system is scalable and can be used to power a range of aircraft for both VTOL and STOL applications. Chitoptera licenses and sells its patented propulsion system. In conjunction with partners, Chitoptera is building unmanned and, eventually, manned aircraft. The fluidic propulsive system is scalable. A source of compressed air is amplified by thrust augmentation. More than that, the resulting system is now capable of VTOL. The table below shows the resulting thrust and other specifications as we vary the compressor size for VTOL, STOL, and conventional applications. Chitoptera aircraft are named for their maximum weight at takeoff. At the smallest end, the J55 fits into the Part 107 maximum of 55 lbs. In order to meet requirements for this total weight, it is powered by vectoring turbojets rather than our propulsion system. It still benefits from our novel airframe design and delivers very high speeds. Horizon Aircraft Cavorite X5. Horizon Aircraft, based in Canada, was co-founded in 2013 by Brandon Robinson, CEO, and Jason O'Neill, COO. Horizon Aircraft is in the business of designing and building long-range hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, VTOL, focusing on safety, practicality and operational flexibility. The company's aircraft are made for long-range, advanced air mobility, AM. Image credit, Horizon Aircraft. The idea for the company's first hybrid electric aircraft came around 2008 when a client wanted a highly modified amphibious seaplane, and Brian Robinson, Brandon's father, said, "How about building an entirely new seaplane?" The company designed the Horizon X3 hybrid electric seaplane that was made so if the aircraft ran out of gas or the engine stopped working, an additional power source, a battery, could land the aircraft to safety. For this type of system to work correctly, they designed a combustion engine. Leo Coupe. Based in the USA, Pete Bitter and Carlos Salaf partnered together in the spring of 2020 and founded the company Leo Flight Corporation, formerly Urban eVTOL, LLC. The joint venture is from Baitar's company Electric Jet Aircraft and Salaf's company Salaf Automotive to design and manufacture electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) flying cars for advanced air mobility. The company is looking for investors. Bidder is an avid VTOL and eVTOL inventor, with over 14 patents to his name, has won multiple aerospace awards, and has owned 5 companies throughout his career. His last 2 companies were Airbuoyant, LLC and Electric Jet Aircraft. Salaf is an automotive designer working with futuristic concept and production cars, when at Mazda, including the Nagar, Furi, Mazda 3 and MX-5. He has won multiple design awards, has always had an interest in aerospace and outer space, and recently designed a space age-inspired mobile office and lounge called the Pod Van. The Leo Coupe is a 3-passenger, including the pilot. Audis Aviation, formerly Kraft Aerospace, was established in January 2019 by CEO and co-founder James Doris. The company states it is a stealth-mode advanced aircraft startup in the business of making hybrid electric, deflected thrust vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, aircraft for advanced air mobility. The company's goal is to make door-to-door regional travel smooth, fast, and affordable. The company also creates aerial transportation networks. The company announced on February 10, 2022 that it had raised $12.4 million USD in a seed funding round, and has now made a grand total of $13.7 million USD in funds raised. While little is known about the company's hybrid electric VTOL aircraft, the company has stated it holds 9 passengers, has a maximum speed of 345 miles per hour, 555 kilometers h, and a range of 1,000 miles, 1,609 kilometers, and a cruise altitude of 30,000 feet, 9,144 meters. Lift Aircraft HIXA. Austin, Texas-based Lift Aircraft started their project in October 2017 in Budapest, revealed itself on Dec. 11, 2018 to the public through social media and news articles, and made its first public appearance at the SXSW South by Southwest 2019 conference and festivals held in March in Austin, Texas, USA. The Lift HIXA, originally the HIXA, is an all-electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) single-passenger wingless multi-copter ultralight aimed primarily at tourism and short-distance travel. The HIXA aircraft was designed by Robert Kovacs, who was based in Hungary. Lift was founded by Matt Chasin, a serial entrepreneur, investor and adventure sports enthusiast. While getting his MBA at the University of Texas at Austin in 2003, Chasin founded Uship, the first and largest online marketplace for shipping, which today has over $200 million in annual gross sales. The HIXA is a 1-passenger eVTOL multi-copter amphibious modular aircraft capable of landing,